Hey guys, welcome to the new video for backtracking. So this is the question that we're trying to solve today, the permutation question. This is a very famous question and it's asked in many companies, as you can see here, like in all the FANG and other companies. So the problem is pretty straightforward. Given a list of number, we have to get all the permutation. So you can see like 1 2 3 is one of the permutation, then 1 3 2 and so on. So here we'll try to apply our template that we have discussed in the first video. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video, because like there i have I have explained like what template we will be using. So this is the template that we will be using in this question, and we'll try to solve it using this template. So if you want to see like what the template is, it's pretty straightforward. So the first thing that we have to do is like we have to store the answer. So we just need to have a variable. Then we have to define a backtracking function, which in case this will be the backtracking function, you can name any variable here. So for now I'm naming it as temp, because here we'll storing the temporary answer and then appending it to the answer variable. So now our goal is to find the base case where we need to append the answer. So here if you see, all the answer has length equal to 3, and the length equal to 3 is the length of number. So that is the base case here. So we just need to check the length of the temporary array that we are having, and we just need to see if it is equal to length of the numbers. Then we just gonna store that. So that will be answer dot append, and we'll just do this because like we want to store the copy, and then we'll return it. Now this is the first part of the base condition, the first part of the backtracking template that we have, and we have already like implemented it. Now we need to iterate over the choices. So here if you see like what are the choices, either you can pick one, you can pick two, or you can pick three. So these are the only choice you have in the question. But here there is one case that you need to remember. So we'll go there like after writing the for loop first. Okay. So let's say what are the choices we have. So we have like for I in range length of nums. Yeah. So basically we will iterate over the length of like array, like we'll iterate over all the numbers, and then we'll just try to pick and then select the choices. But here if you see the answer, you can see 1 is only coming once, and 2 is only coming once, and 3 is only coming once. So that means like we cannot repeat the answer, we cannot repeat the number. So here if you see, you're not finding anything like 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. So what it means, so it means like if you are at first choice, then you cannot pick the same choice again. So you have to go to the next choice. So for that we have this condition if is invalid, and then we have to pass the choice. So here the choice will be, as I mentioned, we cannot pick the same number. So if the nums of I is already there in the temps, so we can do is in temporary variable, then we'll just continue it because we want to we want to skip that thing. So continue. Else we just append the choice. So it will be temp dot append nums of I, and then we'll just call the function again with the temp, which is this case, and then we'll again pop it. And now we'll just gonna pop it. So temp dot pop, and yeah, and towards the end we'll just gonna call this function. So it will be backtrack with empty array, and then we just gonna return the answer. Let's see. Okay. DFS. Wait. This is backtrack. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it's passing. So here, like, this is the first thing, which is what's the base case, and we determined the base case first, then we iterated over the all the choices, so we all the choices that we can make here. And this is the important condition here, because we also need to make sure that we are not repeating the characters, like we are not repeating the integers. So for that, this is the easiest check that we can do. If the number is already present, then we're gonna continue it. So this is the pruning, so removing yeah, so invalid check basically. And then this is the standard thing which we have to do on like almost all the backtracking problem, where we'll just append the choice and then backtrack and then pop it. And this is just like we're calling the function and returning it. So hope you understand this like this easy question. If you have any question, you can comment, and then please share and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.